Hi. So you said you want to become SSC. Well, you do not need any unique attribute, only common sense and understanding of peace, justice and unification. Of course, history of Darwish would help. And deep love for Somalia. I hope that makes sense.
Deep love for Somalia means SSC people are very patriotic at heart. We stand firm by our history and by our ancestors' wishes. Remember Sado Ali sung, "The one country." That is our mission and objective. We are forever SSC Somalia and SSC for life.
Yes, that is right. Deep love for Somalia means that SSC people are not only patriotic, but also real Somalis, proud Somalis, and united Somali hearts and hands. Join the SSC mission today.
SSC Somalia is peace, justice, progress. Dream of patriotics. It is mission made from dreams, but it is no longer just a dream, but reality that will certainly live beyond you and I. So smile with SSC. And remember, I am active member of the SSC, and not just speaker of the SSC. I am actually proud to be SSC. Being patriotic at heart, it was natural for me to join the SSC mission.
Anyone with common sense understands that SSC is not only for northern Somalia, but also imperative for all regions of Somalia. We must unite to create peace, for the sake of future generations, and for the sake of Somalia. I am proud of SSC.